Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the swipe interface on your GoPro Lit Hero. As you can see, here is your touch screen on your GoPro, and you can either use that or use the buttons, so it's all up to you, and we'll do both. Let's try the touch screen first, which is pretty simple to navigate. To switch between different video photo modes, you can just swipe left or right. You can see now I'm slow-mo video. Now there's normal video, 4x3 video, a sports POV, or photo mode, and then you can tap on the screen if you want to hide all the data here. So that is basically what you can do here. If you like to switch the modes without swiping, you can press on the button on the left side of the screen. That will switch to the right mode, as you can see right now. In order to start recording, press on the top button right here, and you can see it does start recording. Then just finish it by pressing on the button again. You can also tap here for settings, so when you swipe to the mode that you'd like to use, you can click on it and set it to a certain mode, like 4K 30 or 1080 30, depending on what you want in that video mode. You can also do that in 4x3 video, I believe. I don't know, maybe not, maybe you can't really do it here. Let's try a photo now, and that is also not giving me any option. Okay, let's get out of that. Yeah, but in slow-mo video and in standard video you can set it. And then if you'd like to adjust some settings or do some other stuff, you can swipe down from the top of the screen. Now you'll have all the different buttons here. You can swipe to the left to see data about your storage. Here are some quick controls. Here are some like Bluetooth things and settings of your device. And if you'd like to view your recordings and photos, just swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Now you'll find all your different recordings here, and that is basically what you can do. So that is how you use the interface. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.